Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You'll begin by confirming the printer's wireless capability and the mobile printing method it requires. Once done, connect your phone to the same Wi-Fi network the printer will use or turn on the printer's Wi-Fi direct/hotspot mode if supported. Make sure you have the router SSID and password handy and temporarily disable VPNs or other hotspot connections that could block discovery. Now open your phone's Wi-Fi settings and confirm network connectivity before moving to app or system pairing. Next, use the manufacturer's app or your phone's built-in print service to find the printer. Open the app, choose Add Printer, and either select the detected device on the local network or connect to the printer's temporary hotspot. Then enter the Wi-Fi credentials so the printer joins your home network. Make sure to accept any firmware updates the app suggests, and grant required permissions like location or local network access so discovery works. Once the app confirms connection, test a small print to verify. Finish by printing a test page from your phone's share or print menu to confirm the connection and print quality. If the printer doesn't appear, restart the router, phone, and printer, then re-attempt pairing or use WPS on compatible routers to push credentials. Make sure the phone and printer are on the same band, sometimes switching to the 2.4 GHz network helps. If problems persist, check for SSID isolation on the router and temporarily disable it, so devices can discover each other on the local network.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.